If you want to create your own AI avatar, then this video is for you. Let me show you some of the examples using which I created my own AI avatar photos, and those are fascinating. Let me show you. Here in the right side you can see that this is my photo, what I gave to this particular app and what it generated. And there are multiple different options using which you can generate your own AI avatar. Currently there are multiple generative AI applications are available in market, right? ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot or Google Gemini, but none of the models support creating your own AI avatar. Because of the privacy requirement, they are not allowing any real human picture to be transformed to a different avatar. Another challenge is there with this particular models, that if you give a prompt, maybe give a description, yes, I'm looking for avatar of an Indian person who is in his 40s. If you share all those things, but still it doesn't generate the same photos every time. It changes those options. But I found one app using which you can convert your own photo to an AI avatar. So let me show you step by step how can you do that. So currently I'm in lightx website. I'll add the link in the description below. It's lightxeditor.com, and there you'll be able to find multiple options. But under AI editor, you'll be able to see one option, that is AI avatar. Now these are some of the samples they provided. What are the types of photos you'll be able to generate? They already mentioned. You can play it around. This particular application is not fully free. Daily they give you chance to create 10 photos, and after that you may need to buy their plan. But I think 10 photos are fine to generate your avatar related photos, right? So let me show you how can you do that. So if I click on this create AI avatar, what it will do, it will ask you to give a photo. They also gave examples that which are the photos considered as good and which it can use, and which are the photos it cannot. Maybe if you are wearing a sunglass or your face is half covered by this hat, all those photos are not actually will be working. Let me click on continue and let me give it one photo using which it can generate. Now it's asking for that particular photo. So what I'll do, I'll go and I have one same photo I'll upload here, whatever I used earlier and shown in the beginning of the video. If you see, it took this particular photo. Now it is giving you options. You need to choose a style, and before that you can select your gender here, and then it will show you some of the options, that science fiction, superhero, fantasy, all those things. And you can see here it's showing 10 credits are available. So today it's a new day and I checked it earlier and used those 10 credits earlier, but today I got another 10 credits. So daily basis they will give you 10 credits, which means you will be able to generate 10 photos. Now let me show you how to use that. So if I click on this maybe cartoon, and then I click on generate, it will generate one of the cartoon version of my avatar. Now you can see it generated this particular version, which looks a bit funny, and I liked it. And once you generate that, you can download from here and it will be downloaded. Now let me show you a few other options also. If you go to this AI portrait, and there you will be able to see multiple theme, right? This is love theme, this is warrior, outfit, royal. So if I click on maybe royal, and there you'll be able to find one option, see all. So it will show you more options. So once I click that, you can see there are multiple different options under royal. And if I just click on the Sultan version and generate another, it will generate another photo of me. And let's see how it comes up with. Okay, looks like yeah, really fascinating. So again, you can download, you can copy this particular prompt so you can use it later, all those things. And now this is a full-fledged app. So once you click on that, you can also open in a photo editor, and also you can use this particular image as an input image, and you can create multiple different photos later. So this is one very good app. Actually, this app I was checking, it's similar to Canva, and I'll explore multiple other options within this particular app, and I'll record a full video covering all other features available in this particular website. This is pretty good and I found it very useful. Another good thing is they are giving 10 credits per day. But if you are in hurry that to generate maybe multiple such photos, this is maybe one of the use case. If you have any other requirement, then you can click on add credits. There is one very good option, that is 500 AI credits for 399 rupees. It's in Indian money, it's showing. So in case you are in a different country, it will show you different options. So 400 rupees for 500, this kind of photo is cheap. and this is not much. So you can check in case you are looking for this type of output, then you can use this particular app. So yeah, that's it. So if you like this particular video, give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel if you want to watch similar content in future. If you want to create PowerPoint presentation for free using ChatGPT, then check out this particular video where I detailed everything all step by step.